Oh, no.
What happened to the tent?
I have no idea.
Sorry guys, this is my tent.
Your tin, eh?
Yeah, the green one.
Well then, well.
It's like on top of ours.
But they're not touching.
You need to watch it because we might punish you.
We might get a little bit angry.
Yeah. I don't care!
What? Dude, we were here first. You should like uproot and move.
Yeah.
Bro, it's sacred
Hey,
land.
chill out,
Seriously,
man!
Come on. Just get out of here.
Stop it, please. This is not okay.
I want to fight him as well.
No! Why? Tenting is happy time.
It's not happy time. We need on top of our team.
Whoa, whoa.
Dang it, man.
Move your tent. Buddy, it's okay. You just gotta breathe. Just breathe. Hey. We all make mistakes.
Okay.
I'm busy.
Ah!
Ouch!
Don't mess with the ginger.